Good afternoon, and welcome to the end of week market review for Friday, July 11th, 2014. You are going to see that our US and Canadian markets are both declining bullish. This was despite the fact that we had a couple of positive trading days within that week. Right now, the Dow Jones did close the week with Friday up 0.17% on the Dow Jones and up 0.15% on Friday for the S&P 500. Gold is up 0.06%, silver up 0.02%, with oil down a large amount, with it down 2.37%. Taking a look at our economic reports, you're going to see that they were expecting 311,000 filings. We actually ended up with 304. So that was one of the things that helped contribute to a positive trading week for a couple of the days. All in all, though, you are going to see that the markets mainly spent their week down. Right now, we're looking at the S&P 500 on that daily chart, and you're going to see that although we had that slight rise, it definitely wasn't enough to cause that 5 EMA to start working itself up again, nor that MACD. So again, we are looking for support at that 22 EMA, and that MACD declining bullish, and with its black line down below the blue line. Here we're looking at the weekly chart. Really, we just want to get an idea of how high the markets have been going. We don't need to be concerned with the fact that the markets are going to be pulling back right now. And it's also important to note that if the markets do pull back, we can expect a pullback somewhere to around that 26 EMA, possibly even down to the 40 EMA. Taking a look at the Toronto Stock Exchange, you're going to see that it is definitely finding some support at that 22 EMA, and with its black line down below the blue line. On the weekly chart, you're going to see that it is rising. You're going to see that it's looking very similar to the S&P 500 in that it's at all-time highs, and that when it pulls back, we can expect to pull back to the neighborhood of the 26 or 40 EMA. Our volatility indicator is currently at 12.12, which means that it's down, but it's not quite as low as we'd like it to be. Right now, it's finding some support at the 50 EMA. Our goal, though, is it'll get back below the 22 EMA. Now, if you have any further questions, you can either send us an email or phone call. All of our contact information is on the screen. So with that said, this has been the end of week market review for Friday, July 11th, 2014. Ciao for now.